It's 100% a speculative activity. And I would still hold the view that it should be prohibited. I mean, countries have been taking different views, but our view is that it should be prohibited, because if it is allowed to grow, that if you try to regulate it and allow it to grow, please mark my words, the next financial crisis will come from private cryptocurrencies.
At the recent BFSI summit, the RBI governor was categorical about his opposition to cryptocurrencies. He pointed out that the next financial crisis may come from cryptocurrencies if allowed to grow. The announcement from the governor comes at a time when Bitcoin's value has crashed following the collapse of cryptocurrency exchange FTX last month. A business standard analysis shows that Bitcoin is the biggest loser compared to major currencies. While the Japanese yen lost 15.9% in value, the world's largest and most recognizable currency lost 64.8% since January. Its value plunged from $47,733 on January 1st to $16,815 on December 27th. But volatility in Bitcoin is not a new thing, and the cryptocurrency problem extends beyond Bitcoin. Countries worry that private digital currencies could be misused to commit fraud. When a company makes an initial public offering or an IPO to raise capital, it has to fulfill the market regulators' rules. In the digital world, companies can launch their own coins using initial coin offerings and raise capital. Some of these ventures are legitimate, but most are fraudulent. A study conducted by Status Research for ICOs with more than $50 million market capitalization found that 80% of ICOs were scams, 6% had failed, and 5% had gone dead. Even among the 8% that survived, nearly half were dwindling. So can cryptocurrencies trigger the next crisis? For now, the crypto market is too small to make a dent in the financial system. The global cryptocurrency market cap is $846 billion. In October, the total market capitalization of all companies listed on exchanges worldwide was $92 trillion, or 108 times the entire crypto market. India's scenario is no different. Despite being labeled as the second largest crypto market in the world in terms of users, India does not compare to the likes of the United States. Business Standard Analysis found that at the peak of the growth, trading volumes at India's largest crypto exchange, WazirX, were less than 2% of the total trading volumes of equities at the National Stock Exchange. In the US, the ratio was a much higher 12% for the New York Stock Exchange. The trading value has declined since the new taxation rules were introduced in the last budget for crypto assets. The daily trading volumes at just over $1 million in December were just a fraction of the $415 million traded on April 18, 2021. Can cryptocurrencies survive? We spoke to Rajgopal Menon, Vice President WazirX, to understand.
To paraphrase Victor Hugo, crypto is a powerful idea whose time has come and no power can stop it. So this has been tried by various countries, including the most autocratic country in the world, China, but they have not succeeded in banning crypto. So it's clear that crypto is here to stay, and even the RBI has understood it. So if you can't beat them or ban them, join them seems to be the thinking. So what we are going to see is the CBDC experiment that the RBI has just rolled out in November and December shows that the government is open to the idea of understanding the benefits of crypto.
If so, how can they operate?
Now, whether crypto should be treated as an asset, as an investment, as a security, as a commodity, that has to be decided by a regulator that needs to be set up by the government, so that the rules of the game are clear for all stakeholders, whether it is the government, whether it's the tax authorities, the law enforcement agencies, and of course the companies operating in this space.
Right now, the market is too small to impact India, but the operative word in the governor's address was if. He said, if allowed to grow, cryptos could lead to the next financial crisis. It is contingent upon the government whether it wants a ban or uses taxation and regulation to tighten the levers around cryptocurrencies. The RBI governor has made his stance clear.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views, and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and LinkedIn.
I am the blue of the limitless sky. I am the inspiration that led success soar high. I will achieve, I will fly high. I am the I in SBI.
I'm backed by the nation's trusted bank, SBI, the banker to every Indian.